The Dreo Fan for Bedroom, 120-degree plus 120-degree oscillating standing fan by Dreo is a versatile and efficient addition to any household or office space. With its sleek design and gray color, this floor fan seamlessly blends into various room decors. One of the standout features of this electric fan is its 120-degree plus 120-degree oscillating function, which ensures optimal air circulation throughout the room. Whether placed in a kid's room, bedroom, living room, home office, or dining room, this fan effectively cools the space with its quiet operation at only 23 dB. The Dreo fan is designed for convenience, offering a remote control for easy operation from a distance. Its adjustable height and tilt options allow users to customize the airflow direction to suit their preferences. Additionally, the fan comes equipped with a timer function, adding to its user-friendly design. Ideal for cooling and air circulation purposes, this standard-style fan from Dreo delivers on both performance and aesthetics.